Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Excel Freak, and today we'll be talking about certain essential keyboard shortcuts which are used to insert a row or column, delete a row or column, or select or highlight a particular row and column. I'll first start with inserting a row or a column in this case. I have selected my cell over here in column E and the row number is 9 and I want a row to be inserted. Now it's pretty simple. Just press your keyboard keys Control, Shift and the plus key. As a result, you can see there's an insert dialog box that appears and you can select the entire row over here. Similarly, if you select entire column, the entire column will be inserted. Right now, since I want to insert a row, I've selected entire row and I'll hit the enter key. As you can see, a row has been inserted on the top of this. Now let's try and quickly insert a column over here following the same steps, which is Control key, Shift key and plus key. Instead of entire row, this time we're selecting entire column and again hit enter. Brilliant. Now once we have inserted these additional rows and columns, now I want to delete them. So it's simple. Instead of Control, Shift and plus sign is for addition, minus sign is for deletion. But I will remove the shift from here. I will just only use Control and minus key. So Control and then minus key will give me a delete dialog box wherein I can select entire row or entire column to delete my row and column. First I'm deleting my row and hitting enter. And now let me delete my column and enter. We are back to the original data set. Now there are times when we need to highlight or select a particular row or group of rows. How do we go about doing that in quickly possible manner or in the easiest way possible using our keyboard shortcuts? Just press your Shift and space bar. The entire row will be selected in just one go. Similarly, if you need to select entire column, you will press Control and space bar and the entire column will be selected. You can see over here on the right hand side, I have mentioned these shortcuts for you, just for you to be able to remember them. However, guys, until unless you really practice them day in, day out, you'll not be able to get a hold of them. Just try with following one simple keyboard shortcut each day and you'll be able to get a hands-on experience on that. Try them out. Do feel free to reach out to me if you face any issues and explore more about Excel. Thank you. Have a great evening.